So you are today here for the auditions, right? I know this, for some of you, this is your first audition. For some of you, you have given the auditions earlier. So this is Forever Star India, Miss and Mrs. India, which we are having the auditions round. And rather, it has been already delayed as you are keep messaging me. So rather than further delay, let's go to Katie ma'am. She'll be telling you about the process and everything.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So all the best for today's audition and welcome to Forever Star India Awards Beauty Pageants Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. Let me just tell you that these are not just beauty pageants, but we are creating a huge community of smart and talented women like you who are going to grow with each other and we are going to inspire each other. So let me just give you a brief idea about how today's audition is going to be. So all of you are going to give very crisp introduction about yourself, right? Your name, the place that you belong to, what are your hobbies and interests, and why are you here for this audition, for today's audition, right? So once you give this introduction about yourself, then you will be doing 2 rounds of your ramp walk, right? So everybody's clear about how you're supposed to appear for today's audition? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, perfect. So let's start with the audition. We do not have Dolly Singh. You were saying she has to be.
She's there.
Okay, so yes, Dolly, good evening. Let's start with your introduction.
Okay, so hi Kirti, hi Jayan, hi everyone. This is me, Dolly, and my full name is Dolly Singh. I'm born and brought up in Patna, Bihar, and I've done my graduation from Delhi University. Lately, I have been a finalist in Indie Royal Miss India pageant, which was held in Hyderabad, Telangana state, and I was given a subtitle of Miss Supranational Diva 2021. And I have also become a member of IWHM, Indian Women History Museum Foundation, which is itself in Jaipur, Rajasthan. And I hope to achieve many more milestones with this pageant. It could be my platform where I could win the pageant and explore, let people know about my personality. And I would like to use this platform to achieve many more achievements in my life.
Okay, all right, Dolly. It's lovely to hear from you. You have already been a part of a beauty pageant and you have won yourself subtitle. So that automatically shows that you must have gone through some grooming and training sessions there. So what kind of training did you get there, Dolly? If you could just brief a little about it.
Sure. So on the first day of training, it was a photo shoot, how to stand, how to sit, what should be your posture, and
Okay.
how to get your pictures done. Second day, from day one, the ramp walk session started. Till final day, there were a lot of grooming about ramp walks. And then for first day, we had sessions of makeup session, grooming session, how to clean your face and how to do when you do makeup, how to remove your makeup. And you should not sleep without your, and you should always drink hot water, lukewarm water. So all those things of grooming sessions we got from VLCC.
Okay, so for how many days did you get these training sessions? 3 days, right?
Yeah, 3 days.
Okay, all right, Dolly. So let me just tell you, when I call this platform a national level platform and these beauty pageants, the biggest beauty pageants of the country. So why do I call it unique? So here you will be trained for extensively for a time period of 3 to 4 months, right? And in these 3 to 4 months, we will be training you how to do your basic makeup, with respect to your ramp walk and your presentation skills as well. Though I find you, pretty much elegant right now. Your communication skills are also good. So let's just have a glimpse of your ramp walk, Dolly.
Ramp walk. Okay, so I mean, I am using my cell phone here, and
so could you place it somewhere on a table outside or on a sofa,
yeah,
maybe?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Placing it on my dressing table. And just to let you know, because I have also been a social activist and I support 2 NGOs for a very long time. So because of my social activities, I was brought into this pageant, the early pageant which I was part of, sorry. And So this is all I aim for, to contribute more to the society through this platform. Any which ways, let's get started with my ramp walk. I don't know if it is visible.
Yeah, you are visible though.
Sorry, I was interrupted by someone.
No problem, Dolly. We can just have one more round of your ramp walk. I cannot see it very clearly.
Okay.
Sorry? Okay. Actually, this is my bedroom and
no
so
problem. I know there's a crunch of space there in your room. So just one more round and we'll be done with it. Okay, Dolly. So as far as I could see, your presentation skills are totally on point, but there's some work that we need to do with respect to your ramp walk. Yeah. So as I say that we have 150 plus trainers here on board. We have ramp walk experts. We have image consultants who are going to help you out in improvising your presentation skills also. But your confidence is on point. I'm totally hoping to see you for the training and grooming sessions once you receive the audition report. So thank you so much, Dolly.
welcome.
Harry, we can move ahead with the auditions.
Sure. All right, ladies, let's move ahead and let's hear it from Pranjal. Hi, Pranjal.
Hello everyone. Hi
How are
Jay.
you?
Hi. I am good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. First of all, you look lovely, and
Thank you.
let's have your introduction, please.
Yeah. So my name is Pranjal. For everyone, those who don't know me, Pranjal Arora it is. I am currently a second year student, a BCom student, and I am pursuing ACCA along with it. So I have been always passionate about acting, and I also had some grooming in acting field. Like I have attended some classes and all for that particular part only. Also, I'm a professional dancer. Not like as if not have performed state level or national level. Just I've learned it, and I'm a dancer as well. And apart from it, I'm here just to there's one saying that modeling grooms your self confidence. That is the only point that I want to come in the modeling line. Else I was always passionate about acting. I never thought of modeling because I was a little bit discomfort with the kind of clothes model carries, and a little bit of hectic makeup thing, and that lighting schedule and photography and everything. But uh, an year of experience I have like in the acting line, I started loving these kind of thing, the makeup, the photographs, everything about modeling. And this is my first beauty pageant that I'm gonna attend. And it was lovely that I am the first pageant that I'm gonna be part of is Miss India, and with you guys, and I'm hoping to learn like so much from you all.
First of all, Pranjal, thank you so much. And I appreciate your transparency here, that you want to become an actor and you want to groom yourself through this line of modeling. It shows how clear you are with your ambitions in life, and it makes complete sense. So I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, sure. Let me place my camera just a second.
Sure, you could do that.
Sure.
Am I visible?
Yes, Pranjal, you would be visible. You could start.
Yes. That's it, or shall I do it again?
One more round, please.
Just a second.
All right, Pranjal, you can sit back comfortably now.
Thank you.
First of all, I must tell you that your attire is looking really nice. You are totally following the dress code for today for your audition. And I could not see your heels, but I could feel your heels that you are probably wearing stilettos. So yes, your preparation is on point. You've done your makeup, your hair is looking really nice, your dress and your stilettos also, just because you had to do the ramp walk today. So I could just, feel that you are a little bit underconfident while you were doing your ramp walk. So maybe थोड़ा सा अगर आप ट्रेनिंग आपको मिलेगा रैंप वॉक के रिस्पेक्ट में that these are the technicalities, that this is how you should be walking, this is how you should be burning the ramp. So I am sure थोड़ी सी ट्रेनिंग के बाद you can actually burn down the ramp. You have that capability in you. And yeah, with respect to your confidence and your presentation skills, you are good. But I guess the image consultants can amplify how you are talking about yourself, so that people actually listen to you, people actually listen to what your thoughts are. So hoping to see you in the training and grooming sessions. Pranjal.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. That firstly the space issue, and secondly I was prepared a little bit for this, because it is the first event that I'm gonna attend as in terms of modeling or beauty pageant. And I was pretty excited for it. That's why I was texting, you guys.
Yeah, I know. So
when it will be starting,
Okay. So finally, you have appeared for your audition and you've done it beautifully. So all the best from my side, and just wait for your audition reports to be there and keep your fingers crossed. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, Pranjal.
Thank you, Pranjal. Thank you. And let's hear it from Pradanya. I hope I pronounced your name right. I'm not really sure. So if you could tell me, how do we go about that? Okay. Hi. So the one with the name Pradanya, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. How are you?
Pradnya.
Pradnya. Okay. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead with your introduction, please.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Pradnya Khobragade. I am 21 years old. My hobbies are dancing, music, listening music, और traveling. और मुझे मतलब ये मेरा फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट है, यानी कि मैं फर्स्ट ऐसा मतलब शो है जिसमें मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ. सॉरी, मैं थोड़ी ज्यादा नर्वस हूँ.
It's okay. You can interact like you are talking to a friend. It does not matter, if it's your first time, if you are in experience, not at all. You guys are all at an equal scale now, and we ensure that, we will help you boost up that confidence right away. So don't worry, go ahead.
थैंक यू मैम. ओके, तो मैंने अभी अपना डिप्लोमा कंप्लीट किया है इन कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग. एंड ये क्राउन जीतने के मेरे 3 रीजंस है. फर्स्ट कि मुझे अपने मम्मी पापा को प्रूव करना है कि मैं मतलब कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मतलब मॉडलिंग एक करियर बन सकता है। वो ऐसा थिंक नहीं करते कि मॉडलिंग एक एज अ करियर बन सकता है। तो मैं उनको बताना चाहती हूँ कि वो एक करियर बन सकता है मॉडलिंग में भी। एंड सेकंड थिंग कि मैं खुद की एक आइडेंटिटी बनाना चाहती हूँ, यानी कि लोग मुझे पहचाने मेरे नाम से, कि अगर कहीं मैं बाहर वगैरह निकलूँ तो लोग जाने कि हाँ देखो प्रज्ञा जा रही है, ऐसा। और थर्ड थिंग कि मुझे फेम चाहिए, क्योंकि बिना फेम के लोग हमको पहचानेंगे नहीं। और मतलब जितना आप पॉपुलर रहोगे, ट्रेंडिंग में रहोगे, लोग आपको उतना ही जानेंगे। सो उसके लिए मुझे फेम की भी ज़रूरत है, तो दैट्स वाई मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आई हूँ पार्टिसिपेट की। दैट्स इट।
Thank you, Pradna. Thank you so much. That was, very, very transparent कि आपको अपनी पहचान बनानी है, and of course you want to make your parents proud. So I appreciate that honesty there, and I would request you to start with your Rambok.
यस मैम, 2 मिनट्स मैं थोड़ा सेटअप कर देती हूँ।
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pradna. Thank you so much. Your work is very, very, interesting for that matter. Thoda casual hai. I'm sure the trainers can work upon it, and you can start your journey of becoming a model, a successful one. So thank you so much. And, I am really looking forward to see you in the training sessions. Let's hear it from Disha Mohanty. Also, this is for, some participants who have joined. So this is an audition going on. I guess Akansha is one. So please, if you could leave this meeting, it would be much appreciated. So, hi Disha, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good, thank you for asking. And you have a lovely smile, Disha. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
tell me something about yourself.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I'm so happy and exciting so much and join this meeting. And myself, Disha Mahanti. I am from Keonjhar. I am 18 years old. And about my hobbies, so listening songs and making videos, acting, modeling. Then I have chosen this platform because the becoming the best version of myself. I can improve my personality and look more confident, and also I represent my city. So that's it.
Makes complete sense. Thank you, Disha. Thank you so much. I would request you to start with your Rambok.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Just 1 minute.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Disha, you have a very, very positive vibe, and that reflects right from your face. And I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value to the platform. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
Let's hear it from Laya Shri. Hi, Laya Shri. I hope I pronounced your name right.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good evening, first of all.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with your introduction.
I've joined for this modeling because I have to know my self-confidence. And my hobbies are like hiking the mountains, climbing, listening to the music, etc. And I just love to see my self-confidence, and I have to show to my parents my self-confidence. That's all.
Okay. So could you please repeat your hobbies? I guess I missed out onto them. Did you mention mountain
Hiking.
climbing? Hiking. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
hiking and mountain climbing. I
That's
just
very
love to do cycling. I could not hear you.
That's very interesting, you know, that आपकी hobbies और आपका जो passion है वो बहुत ही different है, but still you want to explore new opportunities. So thank you so much. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
My age is 18 and it's my first thing to do, and this is my first interview as well as the thing I have done with it.
Okay, no problem, Layashri. आप ramp walk के साथ तो शुरू कर सकते हैं, right?
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead.
It's, you can 1 minute and it's done with it. Should I do again?
Yes, yes. Thank you, Layashri. Thank you so much.
It's not audible.
अभी आ रही है आपको मेरी आवाज? Layashri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, tell me, repeat, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I will repeat. Don't worry. Thank you so much for your work. You have a very good move with your work, and I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value. And the trainers are going to train you in the right format, you know, just in the right way for that matter. So, yeah, really looking forward to see you in the training sessions. Let's hear it
Thank
from
you.
Madhuri till then. Hi, Madhuri.
Can you hear us, Madhuri?
आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए, आप म्यूट पे हैं. एक माइक आइकॉन होगा आपके लेफ्ट पे. जी. Madhuri, you will have to unmute yourself.
जो माधुरी माइक का आइकन है ना उस पे क्लिक करो एक बार. Okay, so Jaya, आप इनको कॉल करके समझाइए. Till then we can move ahead. Harry?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Hi, Anisha.
Okay.
Don't worry, Madhuri. The team is calling you. वो आपकी help करेंगे unmute करने.
Anisha, can we please hear from you, and I would request you to start your video.
Yes, ma'am. Wait a second.